we're going to take and do a proper steak. So once you got your steak cut to size, we're going to show you how to process it. You grab a hold of your knife, take out our sheath, and you're going to process all the way down into a steak. I'll bring you back when mine's done. So as you can see, it's good penciled, staked. So now we want to do chamfering on the edges all the way around so that there's no sharp edges. And once you got that, I'll bring you back. It should look something like this. If you take too much off, when you go to pound this in, it's going to break. So you just want to try to just knock off the edge as much as possible. And she'll be able to pound that in. This is your wood nail, your stake, your pin. You know, it's all the multiple use tools. A couple notches, it becomes a tent stake. Pretty simple.